So today we are going to tour this beautiful Seahurst Sanctuary Retreat. It's here in Everett in this wonderful community. It's known for its tranquility, its nice neighborhood feel, and this home is it's really a happy place. Beautiful outdoor space. Inside has so much wonderful detail, and it's much more than meets the eye. You really need to come see it and experience it in person. If you are a fan of that Cape Cod style or even of the English countryside, I'm a fan of both, you're going to love it here. See yourself living here in this beautiful Seahurst Sanctuary, feel free to give me a text, call, or email. My information is over here. I am happy to help you with all of your buying and selling needs, your real estate related questions. Send them my way. And so thank you so much for joining, and I will see you again next time.